Hello boys and girls, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about the wild animal. In this lesson, you should be able to recognize and name the wild animals. What is wild animal? Wild animal is an animal that is fierce and dangerous. Wild animals live in the natural surrounding and it is not looked after by the people, such as in the woods, field, pond, or the mountain. Let's take a look at a few examples of the wild animal. Lion, tiger, snake, crocodile, elephant, bear, giraffe, monkey, zebra, and many others of the wild animals in this planet, such as wolf, kangaroo, gorilla, deer, and the squirrel. Can you remember all of them? Let's play a quiz. Guess the animal. It is a lion. It is a crocodile. It is a snake. It is a monkey. It is an elephant. And lastly, it is a giraffe. That's great! Now you can name all the wild animals. That's all for today. See you in the next lesson.